Feeling like you could use an extra $20? What if you could get it just for starting to save and invest for your future? I'm talking about a special promotion from Acorns that makes it incredibly easy to kickstart your portfolio. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it is a simple way to get some free money and a head start on your financial goals. So, how do you get this $20 bonus? It's all about a simple, straightforward process. The first thing you need to do is make sure you're a brand new Acorns user. This promotion is typically for first-time customers, so if you've had an account before, you might not be eligible. Once you've confirmed you're a new user, you'll need to sign up through a specific promotional or referral link. These are widely available from various partners and on Acorns' own promotion pages. Don't just go to the App Store and download the app directly. You need to use the link to make sure you're getting the bonus. After you've used the right link to set up your account, the next step is to set up a recurring investment. This is the key to unlocking the bonus. Acorns wants to encourage you to build a consistent habit of saving and investing, and this is how they do it. The good news is the minimum is usually just $5. So, you link your bank account, set up a recurring transfer of at least $5, and that's it. Once that first recurring investment successfully goes through, Acorns will typically deposit the $20 bonus into your account. The timeline can vary, but it's often within 10 business days of the following month. Remember, the $20 isn't just a cash payout, it's a bonus investment that goes directly into your Acorns portfolio, where it can start to grow alongside your other investments. This is a great way to put your money to work, and the best part is you didn't have to risk a dime of your own to get that initial $20. It's a fantastic incentive to get started. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.